everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Monica if you are new, and today I am going to be doing a cook and clean with me video. I will be making my homemade pizza dough with a Caesar salad, and for dessert I am doing s'mores with the kids, and then I will do a cleanup of the kitchen at the end of the video. And I know everything is going really quickly and you can't really see much of what I'm doing as far as measurements. I will be adding a complete description of the recipe in my description box. After I am finished with the dough, I will cover it and let it sit for about 45 minutes to an hour. After the dough has doubled in size, I will divide it in half and place it on 2 pre-oiled skillets. I will also add a tiny bit of salt. After I place the pizza in the oven, I will set my timer for 17 minutes. I thought I would make the salad part a little easier, so I am just using a pre-packaged kit of the Caesar salad, and then I just mix it all together. And there you have it, guys. Dinner is served, and this is one of my family's favorite recipes. Even Rocco wants to get some, but he will have to settle for his own food. In my last video, I had showed you what I had made with my solar light, and I just wanted to show you what it looked like when it was dark outside. After everyone has gone upstairs to get ready for bed, I will stay downstairs for a while and make sure everything is nice and clean. The dish soap that I will be using is the Mrs. Meyers Clean Day in apple cider scent. To clean my cast iron skillet, I will just be using a little scraper, and then I will take a brush and brush them clean with water, and I do not use soap when I am cleaning my skillets. After they are all clean, I will place them on the stove and heat them to dry. And to clean out my sink, I will be using the Barkeeper's Friend Soft Cleanser. I will be using the Mrs. Meyers Clean Day Apple Cider Scent Multi-Purpose Spray to clean my countertops and table. am all finished with my kitchen, I will make myself a cup of tea, and this is the Yogi bedtime tea, and it is one of my favorites. Thank you so much for watching my video, everyone. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye.